So today Alice is going to bake a rainbow cake. Oh, yes, Alice?
Yeah.
It's Alice's favorite cake. What we need for rainbow cake, Alice?
200 grams of sugar, 200 grams of butter, 200 grams of
Flour.
and 2 tablespoons of milk.
Can you show milk, Alice? 2 tablespoons of milk, yeah. What else?
4 eggs.
Okay.
Baking powder and
Vanilla.
and
Colors. 4 different colors. Alice, choose. Which colors you choose?
Blue, red, green and yellow.
Good choice, good choice. So for beginning, Alice now will beat soft butter and sugar with mixer. Butter and sugar, Alice, beat very well. Yeah? Yeah. Now we need to add one by one 4 eggs. So our next step, now we need mix 200 grams of flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
2 spoons. 1 spoon.
1 spoon.
I'll do it.
Yeah. And mix, Alice.
With this spoon.
Yeah.
Oh, spell that.
Now we need to drop half of this flour with baking powder in our mixture. And now we just need to mix.
With this section.
And we need to mix. Wait, a little bit this way.
Can I do try it?
We mixed half of flour with our mixture. Now we need to drop milk. Alice, can you drop milk, please? Mix, please, Alice. And a little bit of vanilla.
I love vanilla.
Can you mix, please, Alice? Alice is very good in baking and in cooking.
Yeah.
So now we drop this another half of flour and mix again, Alice. Our base for cake, for rainbow cake, is ready. Now we just need to divide this base on 4 equal parts. Now Alice will mix.
No, I'll decide first.
Yeah, okay, decide.
So, but this one will go back there.
Okay, this one go here. And
So-
Alice, you can mix, please.
It's okay. Is that lipstick easy?
Our red color cake is ready. Next one, Alice, which do you want?
This one in this color.
Okay, good choice. This is blue color.
Yeah. It says I don't use it, actually. This is the best one.
Mix, please. So, blue is ready. Now, next one. Which is next, Alice?
This one.
Green?
Yeah, in this bowl.
Okay. Now Alice is making green cake. So, green is ready. And now last one. Which color, Alice? This is...
Yellow.
This is...
Yellow. It's a turn into yellow. Just got to yellow.
4 colors for rainbow cake is ready. Now we need to bake. We have 4 tins. This is 20 centimeters diameter. And we put baking paper. And now we need to move here. Yeah, Alice transfer this base in baking tins. Now we need to put them in oven, preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, and bake around 20 minutes now.
We're going to do cream first.
Cream for rainbow cake?
Yeah.
Okay, what you need for cream?
We need soft cheese, we need butter, and we need
Icing sugar.
icing sugar.
So,
Look, it's very soft.
okay. So we take 180 gram of Philadelphia soft cheese, 50 gram of butter, and 230 gram of icing sugar. Our cream is ready. As you can see, it's very easy to make. Just soft cheese, butter and icing sugar mix very well with mixer. So Alice, how it is our cream?
Wait.
Okay, so now we need to wait whilst our rainbow cakes will be baked.
Put them on top and then put it all on top.
Okay.
Now our cake is ready. We're going to put cream on top wherever you like.
For decoration, you can use berries, strawberries, anything what you like, or you can simply drop some almond flakes or coconut. Our cake is ready, so now we can cut and Alice will try.
Blue. The rainbow. Whoa.
Oh, look how nice and beautiful cake. So enjoy your rainbow cake. If you like our videos, please subscribe on our channel.
Bye.